this is Jen with the Perfect 10 in collaboration with Black Detroit Magazine, and I am here to make one of the signature cocktails from Perfect 10 called Hi, My Name is Earl. The reason why I named it this was because we're using Earl Grey tea, and it's going to be infused into a simple syrup, so it's going to be very delicious. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to add our cognac in it. So for our cognac, we're actually using a honey cognac. It is a liqueur made in New Orleans called Le Sear. So let's try it out. I bet you it's going to taste delicious in this cocktail. So we're going to do about 2 ounces right into our mixing glass. And next, we're going to add our Earl Grey simple syrup. Now this is very easy to make. Again, simple syrup, 1 part sugar, 1 part water, and just add a couple of Earl Grey tea bags right on in that and watch it dissolve. Let it cool, and you can store it up for about a good 2 weeks in your fridge. So we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup right on in here. And it gives it a nice amber color, right? To continue to add on to the amber color from the Le Sear. And then we're going to go ahead and do our lemon juice. We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce. Now, lastly, guys, we're adding egg white. So I know, people are like, what? Egg whites? But we're doing it and we're going rogue today, okay, guys? It's nothing wrong with the egg white. It's gonna create a nice velvet touch to the cocktail and create a nice foam cap at the top that's gonna be delicious. Now, when you're doing anything with egg white, you wanna make sure that you do something called a dry shake. That means you're shaking it without ice. So we're gonna shake it, and we're gonna make sure that egg emulsifies into our shaker. So you wanna do this for about a good 10 to 15 seconds, and then you can see it bubbling right now. Then we're gonna go ahead and add ice to it. This is going to chill our cocktail, and you only need about 3 or 4 cubes right on in here. And then you're gonna shake again to get it nice and frothy and cold. And so this you want to do again for another 20 seconds to make sure that egg white is good and cold and your cocktail is well mixed. Now, after that, we're going to take a glass. Now you can use any type of glass here. We're going to use a nice tall champagne glass, but you can use a coupe glass, you can use a martini glass. It's endless. All right. And we're going to just strain it. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, look at that, guys. Yes. You see that nice foam top? Perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and garnish it with a nice lavender sprig. And there you have it. Life is too short to drink bad cocktails, so why not drink Hi, My Name is Earl. Cheers.